if I do this way. How important is this thing, right? I can do this all day long, but we need food. So let's check that out. This is all we need. Today I'm cooking my favorite food: potatoes, eggs, and bacon. It's gonna be fun. Vegetables? Another lifetime. That bread looks nice. So nice. First thing first, the potatoes. Just put a little bit of oil. Just like that. Because I'm like, let the bacon make more oil. That will be tasty great. And now you can put the potatoes inside. Just like that. And you can turn on a middle fire. When the potatoes become a beautiful orange golden color, and you turn the other side. Now we'll deal with the bread. I think we are taking 4 for today. That's gonna be fun. Look at that. We save those for tomorrow. Look like a cheese. Nice. I want to sing a song for those beautiful potatoes. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Crowd the water, crowd the deep blue potatoes. Nice. So baby, I'm trying. Now is the bacon. You don't need to put any oil here. You can just use oil from the bacon. Beautiful. Now is the eggs. The secret is if you put a little water, just a little bit. Like that. And mix. And the eggs will be more big. And then you put in the oil. It's like a magic. There's only one egg. See how big it is. And it's gonna be yummy. And put some cilantro. Looks nice. Now you can turn the other side. And this time, you can add a little bit of green onion and some cilantro. Smells just great. And that's it. And the other eggs is doing the normal way. Just perfect. Enjoy your lunch. That is my favorite lunch so far. It's like you pass in the lake, two beautiful lakes, and you find a snow mountain. Yummy. And you can just put a little everything on the bread. That's so yummy. Let's try this one. That eggs on the bread is so good.